Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I am going to show you how you can create a pattern drawing. So let's start. Open your sketch window and rename your project. Yeah, pattern drawing. Now you need to go in events block and take pen factory. Go in pen extension and first add an extension of pen. Go over here and pen. Okay, so I have already added pen. So now erase all first and then pen down. Then go in control block and take repeat. And repeat. 2 times repeat. Then inside one should be 7 and outside one should be 12. Proper. Now what you need to do is go in motion block and take move 10 steps. And instead of 10, you need to make 75. 75. Proper. Then turn anti-clockwise 51.42. 0.42 degrees. Proper. Now go in control block and take wait 1 second. Then go in motion block and take anti-clockwise 30 degrees. 30. Proper. Now let's test it. Okay. Let's see it once again because I stopped it. Wait, we need to stop it once because it is making it, but it is not visible to us because it is going outside the stage area. So now let's try this one proper. Let's see if it works. Maybe it will. It can also be called as heptagon because it has 7 corners. Heptagon. Proper. Yeah. You can see how brilliant it is looking. This is so nice. It has completed. So nice. So this is a heptagon pattern drawing. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. Bye bye.